So what are the best ways to ethically promote your gaming videos so that you can gain engaged and active fans? In this video, I'm going to share with you 7 of the best ways to promote your gaming videos for free. G'day, my name's Marcus, I'm a video game and YouTube enthusiast, and this channel is dedicated to helping you grow your gaming YouTube channel. I upload a new video every Saturday at least. At the moment I've been uploading even more frequently than that, so if you're new, feel free to subscribe. Bottom line, you clicked on this video because you want to know how to promote your videos. So if you're trying to grow your gaming channel, you're probably super busy, so I'm going to keep this video as short and to the point as possible. So let's get started with collabs. If you don't know what that is, that's basically a collaboration. It's where 2 YouTubers will team up. Generally, they'll create videos together which will be posted on both channels and will send traffic backwards and forwards. It's a really great way to gain traction, and it's a win-win situation for both parties. Next is SEO. That's basically optimize your video's metadata for search. SEO is search engine optimization. I talk about this in How to Grow from 0 views and 0 subscribers video, which I highly recommend you check out because we really go over some cool stuff and I don't want to repeat myself. So I'll link that video at the end of this video, so make sure you check it out after watching this. Next, social media. Now you want to become a part of the community before just going and spamming messages all over social media, but people aren't going to come to you at the start. You're going to need to start going to people, and one of the best ways to do that is through social media. Now I recommend Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook at the moment. Those are 3 platforms doing extremely well, and if you market yourself correctly, you can start gaining a lot of traction off those sites. Forums. Now forums like Reddit or specific forums dedicated to the genre of content you create. Obviously, same thing applies. Don't go spamming messages to tons of people. Try your best to engage with the community first and actually help people out. Find people who might be interested in the content first, just instead of shoving it down people's throats, because people aren't really going to be interested and they're going to shun you if you become one of those spammy, please subscribe to me people. Now, similar to forums are Q&A sites. Now, if you're creating tutorial videos or news videos or generally videos that aren't based on entertainment like a lot of gaming videos are, look for questions that are being asked on general Q&A sites. So now let's say, for example, I made a video on how to clean your mechanical gaming keyboard. I could then go on sites like Yahoo Answers, Quora, and whatever they are, search for people who are looking to clean their gaming mechanical keyboard, and then ethically show them my video, and if they're interested, they'll come and check it out and they'll find a lot of value from it because you've created good quality content. If a lot of people like your video, it's going to be upvoted or liked or whatever they use on that platform, and you're going to show up at the top of that feed and you'll be gaining views as you snooze. Next is a comment strategy. So basically engage with your community, find creators that are similar to you, people who you aspire to have similar content to, but have a higher or a larger audience than you. Then turn on their notifications, subscribe to them, and become super active in their comments section when they post videos. You want to be as early as possible. Try and post something helpful or witty or super deep that's related to that video. All the new people coming to that video, when they scroll down to the comment section, they see your comment. Now you can also like your own comment using a few different accounts just to get it started, and then hopefully over time your comments will begin to accumulate likes and they might show up at the top of that comment section, and then people might be interested in checking out you, so they might click on your little icon, go to your channel, and if you've got good quality content and thumbnails and titles, they'll click on your videos. Finally, promote past videos in new content. A lot of people create videos and then they just forget about them. They kind of shun them and they might link them in the end screens, but that's about it. Don't forget to promote previous videos in your new content. You want to let new viewers know that you do post and you have been posting videos in the past, and they might be interested in checking out that video afterwards. So I hope you got a lot of value out of this video. I now generate millions of views on gaming channels, but when I first started out, I needed to watch this video. I really sucked at promoting videos, and it took me a year to scrape past the 50 subscriber mark. So please make sure to share this video with your YouTuber friends. Maybe they're in my situation and they might find it helpful. I'm sure they'd appreciate you thinking of them. Also, the video I mentioned earlier is up on screen, so I highly recommend you check it out because I share a ton of information in it. So what are the best ways to ethically promote your gaming videos so that you can gain engaged and active fans? In this video, I'm going to share with you 7 of the best ways to promote